AI is real, 100%. It is here, it is not going away. How it gets applied, that's going to be variable.
It's exploded this year, and there's absolutely been a huge amount of interest right across the supply chain. And for us, we're seeing AI interacting in every part of that supply chain, right? From content acquisition and creation all the way through to delivery.
AI is interesting. It's such a broad term. It means so many things. From the creative side, I'm not a big fan of it because it's artificial. But from a efficiency side, to make things quicker and faster in software, all for it.
A lot of content can be generated by AI systems. It's quite impressive what we can do. Like effectively, it can spin us up to the places where the news production wouldn't need news presenter, and the stories will be generated based on facts and footages that were just scripted by the AI system.
AI can do a lot in terms of enabling staff to do more with less, but also do a better job with in audience engagement. And for instance, we've introduced a product that is award-winning now twice at IBC here. So we landed both the CSI Award and the IABM Award with a product called Ratings Artist. And even more exciting than measuring the success of content is to predict it. And to predict ratings, so we trained the machine learning model to automatically make ratings on content and really make content shine and predict where in a schedule, where on a platform it will really shine and maximize the return on investment. So that's one example of where AI can really help things.
We're seeing a lot more around improving engagement with your audience. As an example, on IBC this year, we are showing like AI enhanced advertising. So this is where we can target ads based on logos and content that's in the actual video leading up to an ad break.
It can be peak hype cycle. Everybody's super excited about it. And the promise of it is absolutely true. So faster content production, being able to produce all the metadata around content through generative AI.
And so AI has a big untapped market, particularly in media where it comes often about finding out what your user's looking for and what we can serve to in terms of content when they're looking for it. So I think there's an opportunity to make that really more exciting in the next years.
I think generative AI is absolutely transformative for the industry. We focus more on the distribution side. So if we think about the component parts of distribution, one is the AV pipeline, so how you ingest content. That's an opportunity to leverage generative AI platforms against building out more metadata and making things more discoverable. The second piece is the content management system, so you can think about not only how you append data, but how you actually make it more discoverable and really find the right cohorts and to develop more engagement, more retention mechanisms, more monetization opportunities, right?
We also believe that we need to be cautious with this. So if we're going to generate metadata that describes a video or a movie, I need to know that the training model is pure, that it's not just somehow citing a review that a reviewer from some newspaper wrote 2 years ago. Brightcove has a very established customer base, a lot of over 700 different media organizations. And so as we look at how we apply technology like AI, we love the promise, but at the same time, we want to make sure that we're kind of stepping into it in a respectable and responsible way so that we get the benefit and we avoid all the downside that's potential out there.
In our business, we're focused primarily on video quality, video processing. We build encoders. And so the application of AI is going to look very different. For us, we actually have been applying machine learning in our solutions for several years now. You can do some very, very interesting things in video processing using AI running directly on our silicon. That's been available for almost 2 years now.
We can definitely see a shift away from traditional media into virtual and augmented reality. Also, our technology is in that sense completely designed for that. In that context, you can use it for AI, you can use it for virtual reality. Here, this concept we have here is for an extended set. So we want to show how LED can really be used to use an extended studio environment without per se having the necessary floor space or footprint that would otherwise be required.
In our platform, we're showcasing what is it more of a companion app around discovery built on the Google Veritex platform. where you can literally just have a conversation with your device, right, about finding something that you want to watch. So you're no longer having to do like these long searches and kind of scrolling through. You can actually just have a conversation with your apps and your television experience and find something that's applicable to you, and that'll keep you engaged with the platform. So I think it's absolutely transformative.
We've got how can you create more audience engagement around content, and the new kid on the block there, of course, in business models is FAST. Now, FAST is a micro-segmentation. So for micro-segmentation to work and to be monetizable, you need to make sure you get scale, and that you can only achieve through automation. So what we've introduced, along with ratings artists, which predicts ratings, is the fast scheduling artist, which at the push of a button, with some demographic specifications and content specifications, populates an entire channel with one push of a button. So I think there's a very good example of staff enablement.
It's scary, but I believe that it will just give a birth to the whole new generation of specialists that can be helpful here.
Overall, AI is a great opportunity for the media industry in general, right? Because we can help better respond to customer needs and better respond to what viewers expect, right, in a very individualized basis.